At him. Oh, he's checking you out, isn't that sweet?
Yeah, he jumps up a lot.
That's okay. He's a little blind puppy. He's a blind puppy.
He's up for adoption.
Oh, is he sweet?
You want a puppy?
No, he's not a puppy though. How old is he?
Two,
Yeah. Oh, look how
He's
sweet. Yeah,
old.
move in so he can. He really wants to see everybody and say hi. Here's your fan club. Hello. Oh, he's gonna go in.
Oh.
He needs to feel safe. Oh.
No, he just went in.
How does he do? Hello. Oh, I got a kiss.
They're inside and outside through the dog door.
Male or female?
Male, he's getting neutered on Friday.
Oh, he's not neutered either. Oh, I didn't realize that. There's your answer. Two intact males. Yep. Yep. I don't know why I didn't rub these. I know, I'm the same way.
Yeah.
Squish. Oh, no, leave it open. He can go back in. Yeah, let him go back in if he wants to. Yeah.
Was it an injury or has he been like this?
I think it's congenital. Just the way his face looks to me, it looks like he's...
Yeah.
He just
His
came
eyes
into
are small.
rescue, so
Yeah,
his history isn't completely known. So I think he goes back in there because that's his anchor. You see how he goes back in there? That's how he tells where he is, maybe, and where he's going to go. And he ventures out, and then he hits me. Don't go to Dad. No, it's kidding.
He won't want to go to any.
Oh.
Don't let him.
Not so hard because I let everyone to see me.
Oh, is he ever the best?
Oh.
He was the best too. I liked him too. Okay, so I don't know why I honed in on that. What? So give him some attention while we moon over this dog. Because we'll do that even though we're not going to. Okay, so I'm less angry at him, and I don't know why I didn't realize that this dog was intact as well. Because we were focusing, I was focusing on him and not focusing on him. So that really, it doesn't excuse him, but it really says why they were fighting. Because your guys are all new here too. Yeah, that's why I picked on him.
And your other two dogs are boys?
No, one boy, one girl, but they're neutered. And they're much older.
Would you say, because I've read that female fights are worse than male, you definitely, from your experience?
Just from my experience, I don't have that much experience, but yeah, they're the,
So, because that's why I have two males and a girl, because I heard ran another girl.
I had 3 females and a male. I didn't know. And also, when you're getting dogs, you want to get different genders, different ages, you know, as much as is as different as possible, because then they're not vying for that same sort of place in the family. You know what I mean? So
I think it's fascinating because mine fit their breed type, and then they are interested in completely different things. So the attention that I get from different dogs fills their needs, so they don't fight.
interesting. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah.